Hey Jessica, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm okay.
What did you do today before you got to the station?
I had to go to school and I got to leave early and me and my mom went to go get lunch and then I came here.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had pizza.
It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
My favorite is pepperoni. What is your favorite?
I like cheese pizza.
Oh, that's a good one. I love cheese pizza also. Okay, well, my name is Detective Payne. My job is to talk to children and learn more about their life. Now, what we're doing right now is videotape, but no one is watching. It's just in order for me and you to remember what happened today and what is all said today for the future. Okay, so I have a few rules first. Do you know the difference between a truth and a lie?
I think so, but do you think you can explain it a little?
Okay, a truth is when you tell something that is true, that's not fib, and you could prove it. A lie is something you make up in your head. For example, your name is Jessica, that is the truth. Your name is not Brittany, that is a lie. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's practice the truth and a lie. If I was to tell you the sky is blue, is that the truth or a lie?
True.
Exactly. Very good, Jessica. If I was to tell you that you don't go to Walker's Elementary School, is that a truth or a lie?
A lie.
Very good. I have rule number 2, which is not knowing the answer to my question. I might ask you a few questions that you might not know the answer to. Okay? So let's practice. If I was to ask you, what is the color of my house? Would you know?
No.
Exactly. So I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to answer it properly. What is the color of my car?
I don't know.
Exactly. It's okay not to know some of the answers to my questions. My last rule is not understanding a question. If I was asking you a question and you don't understand it, let me know that you don't understand it and I will try to rephrase it.
Okay.
So if I ask you, what is the depth of a 42-foot mountain? Would you understand that question?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so let's practice. What is 2,000 times 5,000?
I don't understand.
Exactly. Do you know why you're here today?
Yes. I think it's because of Bobby.
Can you tell me more about that?
Well, Friday night, I was over at my grandma's. I was spending the night. And I had to sleep on the couch in the living room because she doesn't have enough room for us to sleep in. So Bobby came in and he sat down and he got the TV on and then he cut it back off. And then he went in my grandma's room to check on her, to check to see if she was awake or not. And then he came back in the living room and he sat down. And then he started touching me and doing other stuff.
Other stuff? What was you doing when he first walked in?
I was asleep.
Okay. Do you remember what your grandma was doing?
She was in her room asleep, but she had to get up to use the bathroom and stuff. And he started stopping her, and then he came back in the living room and he covered me up. And then he said that she can go to the bathroom now. And he didn't want her to see me naked.
Okay. Why was you naked?
I don't really want to talk about that.
Okay. So, can you tell me more about when he first started touching you? Do you want some water?
No, I just need a minute.
Okay. I'm gonna go get me some water. I'm gonna get you some water too, and I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me more about when he first started touching you?
So first he took his hand and he ran it underneath the cover, and then he started feeling on my butt and stuff. And I turned over and he started taking the cover off me and pulling up my shirt, and he took off my drawers. And he messed with my thing, and he got on top of me and started messing with my privates and started licking all over my face, and then he tried to put his private in my mouth.
Okay. When he started touching your butt, how was you positioned?
I was laying down.
Okay. Did you say anything to him?
No, I was asleep.
Did he say anything to you?
He said, it's just me and you falling in love, telling me that if you open your legs and let me lick you, I'll give you some money.
Can you tell me more about when he started licking you?
He started kissing me on my lips and telling me nasty words in my ears, and then he started licking on my ears.
Can you explain to me what happened when he tried to put his private in your mouth?
Well, I didn't really know what he was doing.
Okay. When did he stop doing everything?
When I woke up, I screamed, and when I screamed, I had to use the bathroom. And when I used the bathroom, my thing hurt really bad.
How did you get your clothes back on?
I put my clothes back on in the bathroom.
Okay. What were you doing when he stopped your grandma from going into the bathroom?
I was asleep.
Can you tell me the difference between fake sleeping and real sleeping?
Well, I think fake sleeping is pretending to be asleep, and real sleeping is really being asleep.
Do you usually know what's going on when you're asleep?
I don't know, but I felt it. I felt his right hand on me because he pushes really hard, and his voice because he's very, very loud.
How did you feel when your grandma started questioning Bobby?
I don't know.
Was Bobby telling the truth or a lie to your grandma?
He was telling a lie.
Who did you tell about what Bobby did to you first?
I told my auntie I had to go to her house, and my grandma, she talked to him because he kept saying no, no, he didn't do it.
Okay, you're doing a great job, Jessica. Can you tell me what else your grandma said?
She said, Bobby, did you do anything to hurt her or something? Or did you scare her? And he kept acting nervous. And he said, no, I just moved her leg out of the way, and that's all. And then she just started screaming.
Do you remember if you touched or grabbed anything?
Oh yeah, I touched his private, but I just felt it. He told me to squeeze it.
How did that make you feel?
I felt not so good.
Was this the first time this happened?
Well, no, it happened last time too.
What happened last time?
He touched me too.
Did you tell anybody?
No, I didn't tell anybody because he told me not to.
Okay. So, you was at your grandma's house asleep, and Bobby came in touching you and made you do things while you was asleep, right? You got up, put your clothes on, and you told your aunt the next day.
Yep.
Okay. Well, you may remember some stuff later on, but just make sure you tell an adult and make so they could tell me. Do you have any questions for me?
I can't think of any right now.
Okay. Thank you for coming to speak to me and let me know about what's going on in your life. What are you doing after this?
Well, I wanted to go to the park, but I don't know. But Mom said we could go get ice cream after this.
Do you know what flavor you're going to get?
Probably mint chocolate.
Oh, that's my favorite.
It's really good.
Do you know what place y'all going to? Where's your favorite ice cream parlor?
I like Cold Stone.
Oh, yeah, where they make the ice cream in front of you?
Yep.
Well, eat enough ice cream for me.
Okay.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.